Hi guys, how are you? Our today's topic is choose your words carefully. A person who says whatever he likes usually end up hearing what he does not like. Be tactful. Tact consists of choosing one's word carefully and knowing how far to go. It also means knowing what to say and what to leave unsaid. Talent without tact may not always be desirable. Words reflect attitude. Words can hurt feelings and destroy relationships. More people have been hurt by an improper choice of words than by any natural disaster. Choose what you say rather than say what you choose. That is the difference between wisdom and foolishness. A fool speaks without thinking, a wise man thinks before speaking. Let's understand it with a short story. A farmer surrendered his neighbor. Realizing his mistake, he went to the preacher to ask for forgiveness. The preacher told him to take a bag of feathers and drop them in the center of town. The farmer did as he was told. Then the preacher asked him to go and collect the feathers and put them back in the bag. Farmer tried but could not as the feathers had all blown away. When he returned with the empty bag, the preacher said, "The same thing is true about your words. You drop them rather easily, but you cannot retrieve them. You need to be very careful in choosing your words." So, did you understand story? Words are powerful tools that can build or break, heal or hurt. What we say has a lasting impact on others and ourselves. Choosing word carefully shows respect, kindness, and thoughtfulness. It's a small act that can make a big difference. Speak with care because words matter. I have a question for you. Can you recall a time when someone's words affected you deeply? What made them memorable? Thanks for watching.